Don't need to take out this part. Hello guys. Here is the sensor, and I want to break this foam to reach the sensor. I don't want to take the bumper out. After I break all this foam, I reach to the sensor. Now I try to take it off. It's almost out. To take the grill off, you need to push here, pack, and be careful here and pull up the grill. The grill will come up. After that you need to break the foam here and take the sensor out. Now the sensor is out. I will try to unplug from the socket. This is the part code here. And I don't know, maybe I will put a new one, or maybe just the socket is a problem. I come back with news. So you don't need to take the bumper out. Here is the socket. First I will try to bend the pin a little bit, even in the socket too. Maybe I have a bad connection, or I see here the sensor is paint in black. I bent the pin a little bit, and now I will start the car to see what's happening. What's happened? Okay, it's good until now. No, it's not working. I need a new one. I need a new sensor. Okay, we will put a new one. Another day. I have a new sensor here. New Parksensor. Let's try to see if it works. As I told you, to take off the grill you need to push here and pull up. Here is the sensor. The new sensor. Okay, I will put it like that, or I will install it. Some place. Let's see what happened. So I will start the car, release the parking brake, and the sensor, it's working. Let's see. Oh. Oops. Yes, it's working now. I'm happy. Yes. I will put the grill back. First you need to install it down. Down here. Oops, I need 2 hands, sorry. Okay, down it's okay, here too, and in this place you have 2 holes. This is one, and this is 2. One is okay, and that's it. Bye. Don't need to take out this part.